So in today's video I'm going to be comparing the stock levers with aftermarket levers. The black set is the stock Dominar lever set. The aluminum finish are the stock Benelli TNT 600i set. For those I've got a new set. You've already seen a blue colored set on my 600i, which are just 6-step adjustable, but these are TriColor and 3-way adjustable. I mean, they're adjustable from here, plus when the bike meets with an accident or with an impact, these levers fold out, thus not breaking, and you can straighten them out and ride ahead. You can also adjust the length of the levers. You see there's a screw here and there's an extension over here. So I've kept the clutch lever smaller and I've extended the brake side just to show you guys how the levers can be adjusted. The second set of levers are just the 6-step adjustable ones. They don't have any folds. So this is the second type that is available in the market. Both these are from AliExpress. I would leave links to both these to purchase both these levers in my description section, and you can grab a set from there. They are available in various colors also. Even the TriColor is available in various combinations. I picked the green and red as it matches the Italian flag and Benelli being Italy, so on. This I had spare, so I'm using those. So these are just 6-step adjustable. Okay, I have a separate video already for this, how to adjust the levers. There's also a video coming up for how to install the adjustable levers on Benelli TNT 300. So you could view those also. You could have a look for that. So these are basically matching the Dominar. If you see, this is a stock Dominar brake lever, and this is the CNC one that I got from AliExpress. The cuts, the shape, this all should match. Only then your leverage will be good. Otherwise, I've seen that some people purchase some local or online something from online like Flipkart or Amazon or somewhere, and they have braking issues. Their brakes get locked or something. But with these levers that I brought from AliExpress, these are actually KTM compatible levers, KTM Duke compatible levers that match the Dominar straight. No mods are required. No changes are required. So the links I'll be sharing from AliExpress are the ones from KTM. This is the clutch side. You see, this also matches completely. I mean, there's no change. The cuts out here, the holes, the curves, everything matches. The only advantages now we get is we got more leverage. We can adjust the leverage. There's a separate video already for how to adjust the levers, these ones, in my channel. I'll also leave a link for that in my description section. So this is it. If you have any additional questions for these levers, please do let me know. Once I install these 3-way adjustable levers on my Benelli, I'll make a video on that, and I'll put it up on my channel, and you guys can review that time. So just to show, this is the brake side for Benelli, and it matches. There's no design change, the hole, etc., everything. This is the clutch side. Clutch side, you have to be careful in the sense that the stock Benellis have a rubber bush, a plastic bush inside this from the bottom side. Okay, So you have to remove that bush from the stock or the original lever and put it inside this one. Okay. The TNT 300 installation video that I did for like this type of levers, the red ones, that has clearly I've clearly shown in that video how to remove it, why to remove it and where to put it, etc. So you can review that. I'll probably put that out video first and add that video's link in this one too. Again, no major mods to be done for any of these levers for installation. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes to install them if you have the right tools. So that's it from me, but if you do have any questions on these levers or installation or where to purchase apart from the ones that I mentioned in the description section, please do let me know, add them in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them in the next 24 to 48 hours. If you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. If you feel your friends would get advantage from this, please do share across your groups, your friends. That would help me ahead to make have a better subscriber base and help make better videos, make more videos out of it, add more content, add more genuine content to my channel. Thank you for watching. Dipen here from Pune.